Today we have the 2023 Volkswagen Grand California. This vehicle has done just under 16,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. As we step inside, we can get a good view of our living / dining area. And behind me, we have our kitchen, complete with our sink, hob, and fridge just below. Next up, we have our bathroom with our toilet, sink, and retractable shower head. Next up, we have our bedroom, making this camper 4 belts, 2 berth. As we go into the front of the vehicle, we can see to the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control and assist as features. On the right we have voice control and our headlights. As we move onto the screen, we can access radio, media, smartphone integration, navigation, Apple CarPlay, vehicle status and menu. As we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it has a parking camera with front and rear parking sensors. And just below is our AC.